So, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you see a heart? Oh, no, no, not this heart. This heart. Love, romance, affection. Oh, anyways, coming back to the topic, have you ever thought why the heart symbol is so anatomically incorrect? And why doesn't it feel similar to the original heart? So, there are a lot of stories behind this, some stories and some theories. Number 1. The heart symbol draws inspiration from nature. The heart shape is thought to be a depiction of ivy leaves. One of the oldest example is an Indus Valley pendant embossed with a heart-shaped ivy leaf. Ivy was used as a symbol of loyalty and fidelity. Number 2. Back in the days, probably 6th century, the plant known as silphium. It is a type of big fennel plant that hails from the ancient North African city of Cyrene, located in the modern Libya. The plant was so closely linked to love that it theorized the shape of seeds inspired by the heart shape that we use today. And though you have never heard of it, silphium used to be considered as valuable as gold. Number 3. Some people say that heart symbol doesn't come from mature heart, but from the development stage of the heart. The heart shape is made during the pharyngeal artery development. Number 4. The shape is the fusion of movement the heart does when it beats. The upper verticals do the M and the lower do the V. Number 5. Some say when two humans are stitched together, they look like the symbol heart. Now, what do you think? Which point feels the best? Do tell me in the comment section, like and subscribe my video.